Hey guys, today we got a cab high ranch fiberglass cap. Fits the 2014 to 18 body style Chevy GMC trucks with a 6.5 foot bed. Silver in color. This is in pretty good shape. It's not been on truck very long. Paint looks pretty good through here. Top and the top edge on this looks nice. No damage on this up here. Down through here looks good. Some minor chips right here on the bottom edge, right there. Really not too bad. Paint looks good all the way through to here. Does have a solid panel glass window on the side. Picture front window. Paint looks good in the front edge here. Top and the top edge here look good, no damage. Looks good down through here. Looks like a small chip right there. That's really it. Bottom edge looks good through here. Small chip on the corner here. A couple right there. Paint through here. The front edge looks good. Top and the top edge side here. Look good. Looks like I got a small chip right there. That's chip right there. Down through here, got a small chip right there. That's it. That's all I see is that one there. Bottom edge looks good through here. A little bit of a scratch right there in the bottom edge. And maybe a little minor chip right there. That's really about it. Solid panel glass window on this side as well. Double T-handle locking rear door. Small chip right there above the third brake light, and then one right there. Really, this one doesn't have much damage at all on it. Inside is bare fiberglass. Solid panel windows, so they don't open up for ventilation or anything. Serial number, it's right there. There it is. Got a cab high fiberglass ranch model cap. Fits a 2014 to 2018 Chevy GMC trucks with a 6.5 foot bed. It also fit the 15 to 19 on the 2500, 3500s as well. Those below is a link to this unit on our website. So you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, things like that, we have those available on our website as well. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, you're waiting for something to come in, you'll want to keep up to date on inventory coming in. We upload to YouTube and our website as soon as inventory comes in. So you want to subscribe below to keep up to date on that. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.